Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Twitch account to your Steam account. So first you need to make sure that you are logged into your Twitch account on your browser, and after that you need to click on your profile on the top right and then go to settings. So here you will see your profile. So first you need to go to your connections on the top bar, and here you will see a bunch of different connections that you can connect your Twitch account with. So since we want to connect with my Steam account, so you need to click on connect near the Steam. So this will pop up a new window. So if you are already logged in, you will need to click on sign in, and this will link my Steam account to my Twitch. So if you click on this account ID, and this will open a new window where you can make sure this is your Steam ID that your Twitch account is linked with. So I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you for watching.